Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with Debbie, and for today she is going to make this wonderful reindeer face paint for us. So if you want to know how to create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because we will show it to you step by step in the coming video. To start this design, Debbie has a light brown face paint on a sponge. It is a color by Superstar. I will link to it in the description box down below. And with a darker brown color, which is by Diamond FX, she is creating some shadows on the face paint. And as you can see, by dabbing the colors on the skin, they blend very easily and you get a very nice flow from light to darker brown. So a lot of light brown on the skin, as this is going to be a reindeer, of course, and the dark brown by Diamond FX once again to create some shadows just under the cheekbone. Just gently keep on dabbing the colors over each other until it is blended and you are happy with the results. Now the basic brown color is on the skin. Debbie continues to white face paint. This one is by Superstar, and with this she colors the nose white. To contour the nose, Debbie is using a brown shadow. This is a star blend by Maron in the color Ebony. Also a bit of that shadow under the eyebrow. Back to the white to create the mouth area of the reindeer, and the star blend used for the eyeshadow as well. Just keep on blending it until you have a lovely glamorous looking reindeer eye. Shadows also under the white bit of the eye and around the mouth area as well. The white to color the spots under the eyes. As you can see, that really changes the shape of Debbie's eyes. And then there is a lot of black. The eyebrows are painted black. This is a black pencil liner to give some more depth to the eyes, and with a liquid eyeliner Debbie creates the details around the mouth. Onto red for the red-nosed reindeer, of course. This is by Superstar, a very nice bright red color. Back to the white to create the chin, and that white also continues in the neck and on the chest. So as there is a part body paint in this design, Debbie is creating the brown on her shoulders as well, leaving a spot open in her neck. That will be a different color in a bit, and that is where the green by Superstar comes in. This color is called Peacock. It is a lovely green metallic color and a bit of a yellow onto the spots that are going to be on our reindeer. This is also created with the Superstar white face paint. And by putting all different sizes of round shapes on the skin, Debbie creates a lovely effect for our reindeer. A bit of glue on which Debbie will put some rhinestones. Now we are back to the liquid eyeliner for some details that are under the nose for the whiskers, of course, and on the collar a black outline. Also an outline on the furry part on the chest. And with that, our reindeer face paint tutorial for today is done. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.